Hello friends and welcome to Coin Engineer Global. The 13th video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis series is Demand Index Indicator and how to use it. But before we start, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. The demand index is an indicator that uses price and volume to assess buying and selling pressure affecting an asset. Traders can use this information to predict where an asset's price may be headed over near and long term. Now let's add our demand index indicator. As you can see that you cannot find the actual demand index, but luckily there are some coders/traders who like to help the community. This one at the moment is the top rated, so I am using this one in most cases. The calculation of the demand index is based on 20 periods of the average price and volatility of a 2-day price range, as the high is high minus low is low. But as you can see, we need to make the indicator more visible, so we should customize our background. When taking the volume as the base information followed by the percentage variation of the price and taken into account the volatility, it is in most cases a successful indicator for analyzing divergences. A divergence between the demand index and the price might be the beginning of a bullish or bearish price movement in the market. For example, higher prices with a low demand index usually indicate a move in the market, while the opposite might be the beginning of a bearish trend. Prices often rally to new highs following an extreme peak in the demand index. The demand index moving through the zero line suggests a change in trend, while the demand index remaining near the zero line indicates weak price movements that will not last long. In conclusion, traders should use the demand index in conjunction with other technical indicators and chart patterns to maximize their odds of a profitable trade. And that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video, and if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.